Today I am going to show you very powerful hacks that will increase your YouTube views instantly. Some of the things that I am going to be sharing with you today are going to help you get more views right away, and some of the things are going to need a little bit of time to increase your views. Let's get started. The first way to increase your views is by creating eye-catching thumbnails. These thumbnails make people more likely to click through to your video, which increases your views. Thumbnails are one of the best ways to catch the attention of people browsing YouTube. Adding bright colors and big texts to thumbnails captures potential viewers. Embedding your logo in the thumbnail helps differentiate your brand from competitors. You can place it in the bottom left corner of the thumbnail, like this. Make sure that the logo is not too big or too small. You can use Photoshop to create your thumbnails. Or you can check this video where I explain how to create thumbnails using the free application Paint.net. Link to that video will be in the description below. The second way to increase your YouTube views is to promote your own videos. For example, you can put links in the description of videos and encourage viewers to check them out. You can also promote your videos using end screens. You can do that before uploading the video or in the YouTube Creator Studio. Another way can be to add these videos as cards in the middle of the video like this. Additionally, asking your viewers to subscribe and turn on the notifications bell can increase your views. This is because whenever you post a new video they will get a notification, and they will be more likely to open the video. The third way is to optimize your video titles. In order to reach as much people as possible, your title should include as much information about the video as possible. It should also include words and phrases that attract potential viewers and make them click on your video. The last way to increase your views is to use playlists. Viewers can open a playlist and watch all the videos in the playlist as the videos play one after the other. This will increase your views instantly. Playlists also help organize your channel and helps guide subscribers to the content they're looking for. All of the methods that were mentioned in this video are free. But there is another way that requires money. This method is the Google Ads method. I have done a full video explaining this method step by step. Link to the video is on the screen now and it will be in the description below. That's all we have for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you get notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.